This car has all the common Pontiac ingredients: aggressive styling, an emphasis on sporty performance, plenty of standard safety features and good value for the money. One look tells you that the Sunfire design owes a great deal to the Firebird, from the dual ports in the front to the lighted PONTIFC on the rear deck. Start the car and you'll remember why Pontiac is GM's excitement division. The 2.2-liter twin-cam 4 has plenty of power, and boy, does it go. It also lets you know it. The engine, which gives a muted growl at moderate speeds, becomes vocal when pressed hard. Sounds good in your ear. The Sunfire does not ride and drive like a typical small car. It has a very sturdy, stable and solid large car feeling. The feeling our Sunfire conveys is one of well-built quality. The interior is smartly designed. All switches and controls have large, colorful graphics and are easy to reach and use. A fold-down seat in the rear is standard and greatly expands the usable space. With the rear seat folded down, skis or surfboards can be carried with the trunk lid closed. I like to call this one a neon eater. It's a good value for those who want the Firebird flash on a small car budget. So, don't delay, print this page and call us now to lock in your personalized test drive towards ownership. Call us today. Ask for Jason or Bobby for your best internet pricing. 402-639-7200